Hey YouTube! Glad you decided to visit your girl Val today. I know it's been a minute since I've been able to connect with you, but let's focus on the future and not the past. I could be alone in this, but the pandemic had me struggling to stay on top of my health goals, not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, and dare I say it, spiritually as well. Everything had just been challenging. However, all people usually see is how everything trickles down to the physical. Finally, I got my mind right, thank God, and decided to up the discipline and take my goals back into my hands. And I want to tell you about one of my new favorite snacks. So lately, I've been loving the smoothies. Excuse me, the smoothies. First, it's heating up outside quickly, and I find myself having more of a thirst craving than a hunger craving. A cool smoothie does the trick in addition to some water. Also, consuming fruits and veggies in the form of the smoothie is a great way to flush your body with nutrients. By drinking our fruits and veggies throughout the day, we can go ahead, and get that recommended amount of fruits and veggies in our bodies required to thrive. We can drink them as well as add them to our meals. My go to recipe has been quite simple, about 5 ingredients. So, first, fresh herb mix, fresh strawberries, wild blueberries that are frozen, a half a banana, which is optional. I've only put that in there once, and some water, enough to barely cover the ingredients. For my fresh herb mix, I literally just take maybe 2 handfuls. Fresh strawberries, I use about 3 to 4. Wild blueberries, I just kind of throw some in there. I don't really measure it, but I do only use a half a banana. And I may put some ice in as well, usually about 3 or 4 cubes. Now, a lot of people know that I have had a craving for ice for quite some time. But the ice tends to make my smoothies very thick, and I like it to be, well, smooth. There are times I made this smoothie and maybe added some whey protein to my smoothie, but that's a whole different recipe. We're just focusing on this one right now. Altogether, this smoothie is roughly about 195 calories, and I only give that information for my people who may be looking to try this and maybe tracking their food intake to meet their own goals at the moment. So, here are some questions for you. It's your turn to let me know how you've been doing. Have you been keeping on top of your health goals as a priority for yourself? Have you just started to do this? Is it a thought in your mind and you want to get started? Do you like smoothies and think this may be something you would like to try? Come on now, let me know. Let me know what you would like to see moving forward. Enjoy hitting the replay on this video and share with someone that loves smoothies or share with someone you know is ready to make a positive change in their health. I will be back with you sooner rather than later. Talk to you soon.